Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain twist with a sweep command. So left side you can see the simple twist command. I am going to explain this. Right side, this is a twist with sweep command. So I am going to explain with twist in flex command, and I am going to explain. See here, it's a sweep, so I am going to show you twist in the sweep command. So let's start now. So initially I am going to explain simple twist command. Select the top plane, go to sketch, draw center rectangle, so 100 by 10, and extrude with 2 mm. See here. Now we have to go to flex command. Here we have to select the twist and select the top face. So we can see here two planes have been created, plane 2 and plane 1, both the sides. See here. So I am going to modify the distance of these two planes. So I am keeping 15 here. So it is moved 15 inside, the other side 15. See here. Now I am going to change the angle. This is 250. See. So this is how it looks like. So we generally use flex command for twisting. See, I am going to change the value like 50. So we can use for sheet metal components or cylindrical tubes, shafts. So I am going to show you one more method. So I am going to suppress these features. Select the top plane, go to sketch, draw one center rectangle, select both the lines, and this is 200, and say OK. I am going to show this sketch. See here. So select the front plane, draw a line vertically from the origin, and it is 200. We can assign any value. See here. So two sketches have been created now. So I am going to features and swept boss. Here I am going to select the profile and this path. So this is common. So we can, I'm going to show the preview. See here, this is what we do generally, but there are few more options here. Select follow path, and we can see in profile twist specify the twist value. So here we can give 50 degrees. See here. So I am going to show you by increasing the length. So instead of 200, I am changing to 500. See here. So this is the other method. We can use either ways. So this is brief about twist with sweep command. Thanks for watching.